image gadget is one of the most fundamental gadgets in NoviSign Studio. To use it, locate your image gadget here, drag and drop it to your slideshow. And on your right in the property section, you can see a bunch of images that you have previously uploaded to the media center. And in this tutorial, let's choose this image with rows. Once you click it, it will appear in the gadget slot. If you haven't uploaded any images to the media center, go to media center and click upload media so that you can upload images that's stored on your computer, Google Drive, and any sources that are listed here. And let's go back to the image, and once you click on the image that you have just uploaded, you can change the size, and you can do so from this appearance and size and portion section, and you can also add modification from here.